In this short video, we'll show you how to set up, clean, store, and get the most out of your Nurture Smart MultiFit Crib Mobile, designed to support your baby's development through sensory and physical play. To install the batteries, you will need 6 AA batteries and a small Phillips screwdriver. First, open the clear label cover by pushing upward on the door latch. Then, loosen the screws on the battery door with your screwdriver and open the cover. Insert your 6 batteries according to the indicators inside the compartment and close. The Nurture Smart MultiFit Mobile has been designed to fit most portable play yards, cribs, bassinets, and more. To attach the mobile, open the bracket jaw by loosening the knob with one hand while supporting the mobile with the other one. Then slide open the bracket jaw and place it onto the crib frame. The bracket must be fully resting onto the mounting surface. Now tighten the knob until the bracket is secure and does not tilt, move, or shift. Do not over-tighten the knob. The patented joint makes it effortless to adjust the height of the mobile to match the baby's developing visual range and to quickly reposition the mobile for easy access to the baby. To raise the mobile arm away from the crib, gently lift the arm until it locks into the desired position. To lower the mobile arm, press the release button and lower the arm to the desired height. The first feature for visual stimulation is the large domed mirror, which engages babies and encourages visual attention and body movement. The stimulating images are perfect for a baby's developing vision. The mobile includes 3 black and white images and 3 colored images on the rotating part of the mobile. To flip images from black and white to color, gently lift each paddle, rotate to the desired image, and gently lower into position. The picture holder works to display photos of family and loved ones for the baby to see. To insert a picture, open the clear cover by pushing upward on the door latch, then add your image and close. To turn the mobile on, just press any function button. To turn the mobile off, press the orange off button located in the middle of the 4 timer buttons. The selected functions will operate for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, depending on the time selected. The mobile has 5 sound functions: white noise, heartbeat, waves, lullaby, and classical music. To scroll through the pre-programmed sounds, press the sound select button repeatedly. To adjust volume, press the high or low volume buttons until desired volume is reached. The indicator lights will indicate the volume level. To start the motion of the mobile, press the button with rotating arrows. Our unique record and play feature lets your baby hear and recognize the voices of parents and loved ones. To record, open the clear label cover and press the mic on and off button located above the upper left corner of the battery door. On the control panel, indicator lights will flash for a few minutes to indicate activation. Now press the record button on the control panel to start a voice or music recording. The recordings can be up to 5 minutes long, but you can press the record button again to stop the recording. While recording, the 3 upper indicator lights will flash. The entire mobile has been designed to be completely cleanable. Wipe all surfaces with disinfectant wipes or a cloth dampened with mild soap and water, and be sure to rinse any cleaning solution thoroughly before the baby uses the mobile. Now enjoy the Nurture Smart MultiFit Mobile and enhance your baby's development anywhere you want. Nurture Smart, designed for hospitals, loved by parents.